There are many service providers out there, but we're sure you want a good one with professional touch. We have it.
Welcome to Dogs Paradise Resort. Force-free boarding kennel. Free access to dog run. Small groups in daycare. Just nice looking dogs. Individual feeding schedule. Clean grass. Huge kennels. Variable bed sizes. Safe playground. Unlimited treats. Modern pet hotel. Even 3 dogs feel comfortable. Fresh air and 4 large playground. Playground for tiny dogs protected with top mesh against predatory birds. Oversized business class kennels. Individual playtime available. Comfortable bed. Dogs and human reactive dogs welcome. Individual dog runs. Bed from home also allowed. Smile from guests. Individual cats kennel. Treadmill exercises. Dog run for family. Fun in any weather. Bright and spotless. Love and care from professional staff.
Cool, right? Call us or click the link below. We look forward to working with you.